All documents confirmed. You are cleared to proceed, ma'am.
Keep coming straight. All clear on the left. We'll guide you in.
Docking procedure complete. All green on safety. Begin unload sequence.
Steady, girls. Keep the line moving smoothly.
All right, next one coming down.
Heart sounds are strong and steady. Vitals on the tablet confirm excellent health, Doctor. We are clear for release.
Did you get a reading on this one?
Yes, scanner confirmed ear tag 34B.
Eyes and vision confirmed healthy. Gums look good, teeth are strong. Okay, record the ears as clean.
The hoof reading is stable. No signs of laminitis.
Confirmed. I'm logging the code assessment now. It's perfectly healthy.
All examination reports are confirmed. Verification complete. Approved for transfer to the next stage.
Check the flow rate on station 3.
Looks stable. Water quality is optimal across the board.
Quality check on the hay looks good. The texture is perfect.
Agreed. The automated delivery system is maintaining the precise ratios.
Respiration is steady, and the scan looks good.
Activity levels are stable across the board, Doctor.
Sequence initiated. All systems green. Guide them to the first bay. Over. Over.
The coverage looks perfect on this one, Sarah. Parameters are all green, Mark.
No residual moisture detected. The coat is spotless.
Check confirmed. Updating status now.
Keep the spacing tight on the left. Roger that, coming through smoothly.
The inspection is complete for this group.
Confirmed, Supervisor. All records updated and approved.
Keep the line moving smoothly now. Easy does it, girls.
Confirmed. Flow rate is optimal. Next group is approaching Gate 4.
Quality is excellent on this batch. Confirmed. The digital record is updated.
Rotating brushes remove dirt and surface impurities. Female workers inspect the cleaning process from control panels. The horns are completely sanitized.
Automatic sanding machines smooth every edge of the comb. Rough surfaces are completely removed. The comb becomes comfortable to hold. Finished combs pass through a final cleaning and sterilizing system. Soft cloth rollers remove dust.
Pallet 37B scanned.
Confirmed against the manifest. Seal the container.